everyone, welcome again to my channel. Please, if you've forgotten to subscribe in the past, please subscribe, and for everyone that has subscribed, just know that I appreciate your support. I don't know if you've heard this, but there's something called intermittent fasting. It's something that a lot of people have been doing lately to maintain their weight or to lose weight. So maybe you've gone to the gym, tried exercising all the time, tried dieting and everything. You feel like you've tried everything and it's not working. Intermittent fasting doesn't mean that you have to starve your body. Actually, you eat what you want. From 8 till 5, you eat lunch, breakfast, dinner. But it's my advice that if you want the heavier meals, you can eat them between 8 and 1. Eat the heavier meals. Then from around 1 till 5 till the following morning at 8, you don't eat anything, but you can drink water. One more information, you can ask your doctor or your nurse, or you can do your own research further. Intermittent fasting starves your body long enough to trigger fat burning, and the benefits of intermittent fasting are that it lowers blood pressure, it helps with weight loss, of course, which is your aim. It prevents or controls diabetes. It increases brain health. It also prevents obesity. You see a lot of people do this. You see people eating and they don't gain weight, but many people know when to eat and when not to eat. Remember, consistency is a key to anything that you want to achieve. So I've tried this myself, but I didn't go through with it because my husband comes home different times. I could not keep up with the time. Thank you so much for watching my videos and for tuning into my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe.